I want to encourage you people also to be creative. And I really love young people because of their creativity. What's my nickname? Because a young girl decided that Kenyans were having difficulty in pronouncing my name. Riggy Gachagua is a difficult name. And she decided, because Kenyans were liking me, especially the young people, she wants to make it easier for them to refer to me. And that young girl called Ivy, she came up with the word Riggy G. You want to see her? Yes. Come here, they see you. And still single. So this young girl. So this young girl here, called Ivy Chelimo, is the inventor of Riggy G, which I have patented, and it's a trademark. If you use it, you must pay me millions. And because she's a lawyer by profession, she now works in my office as a strategist in matters communication. Please sit down. I've come here. I want to give you an opportunity to ask questions, isn't it?